Hi, I'm Nathan, and you're looking at the USKRG page that outlines key documents that you need to generate a timeline for submitting your file to the TRC. In this short series, I'm going to walk you through why creating a timeline matters and how to visually identify those documents in your own adoption records. A timeline helps place the documents in chronological orders so reviewers can see what happened, when it happened, and in what sequence. This is important because inconsistencies often show up not in the text, but in the dates. So let's take a look at these records. As you scroll down, the first one you're going to see is release for immigration. Okay? Keyword immigration there. Now, this first document, when you see the document in your packet, it will likely be entirely in Korean. Listen, that's okay. I don't understand it either. All right. But what you're looking for are dates. And so as I zoom in on this, you can see examples here. All right. So again, we have some redaction here. This is somebody's personal file that they've graciously allowed us to use, but you're going to look for these type of documents. Okay? So this is the document that more than likely shows that your biological parents either relinquished you or gave you up for adoption. The second document that you're going to look for is release for adoption. Okay. Now, this document here looks like this. All right. And this is specifically consent for the adoption itself. Typically, this is going to come from an adoption agency. Pay attention to, again, the dates and how close it is to the immigration document that I showed you earlier. Did it happen before your immigration paperwork happened? So essentially, this should come after. If for some reason this document is dated before your immigration document, then that is probably a red flag. Okay? Now, as you move through this process, we encourage you to join our official USKRG Facebook group. That's where you're going to find updates about webinars, workshops, and registrations for those events. In the next video, we're going to look at a couple more documents. So hopefully you stick with me. Before I let you go, I want to let you know that we are hosting another timeline webinar on Tuesday, January 13th, 2026 at 8 p.m. You have to go to our Facebook group to register. Registration ends on January 11th at midnight.